You, you guys, it's my first time using the camera, and yeah. All right. Alright, so this is Gumbus. Yo. Alright, so I have it in like in uh. I
You
got
can't grab. You gotta go to the app. You gotta go to the app.
yeah. All right.
Stop recording you first.
Uh, um. Um. We should try to like go through sewers and like the perspective or something. So yeah. Yo, Gumbus. Got your camera ready? Oh. Oh. Gumbus. Yo, camera. Gimme. Yo, this over here, and make sure to
Let
subscribe.
go of my camera.
Yeah. To my kid. Where's the camera? Camera, give me.
Ow!
Hi.
Wait, stop! Stop touching my camera.
Yo, Crystal here, and make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe to me. All right, I'm head to sewers now, and yeah. Nah, not mine now. All right. Okay, come on over here to sewers and try to get it.
That camera back.
Mm.
Hey,
Oh,
stop
you can't
taking
get in
photos
there.
with my. Give me that. Yeah, he stole my camera. That's stupid bitch.
We're going sewers. Whee! Cup. Yes, Matt. Fight. You Gumbus, where are you? Is there a flashlight? Hold on. Tortillas. Alright. Gumbus? Okay. Yeah.
No! You're recording my body.
Out of the sewers. Oh, never mind. My camera's here. I'm kidding. Out of the sewers. Ugh. Yo. Gumbus, where are you?
How do you make it start recording?
Gumbus? You have to like on your like device. Yeah, there's on your device. There's like a what's it there's like a thing where you like, do you know like where the flashlight is on your like phone? Well, do you know where the flashlight is? So you can like get yeah. Do you know where your flashlight is? Is it on your like phone? Where you get your flashlight? There's like app that you can download in settings that makes you record. Like it was like screen recording whether
Yeah, but that little bar is still gonna be there at the bottom.
is it recording?
Should I screen record it?
What?
Should I screen record it?
Yeah, screen record it. Bro, if you have it like in your pocket or something, it sounds so weird. Like there's like a double of your
Alright, give me my camera back.
Yeah. Alright. You can grab the camera. Yo!
Alright, let go of my camera!
Sub them. Crystal VR.
Alright, you're not allowed to watch it anymore. Alright.
Crystal?
Welcome,
so
it's my
Sigma.
first time using the camera. We're gonna go explore caves a little bit. This is my first
Yeah,
time
let's
playing
go.
Camera
Let's go.
Company in a
Let's go.
while.
Grab one.
So, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and make a video.
You want one?
Alright, I'm good. I think I'm good.
Alright. Give me a bag.
You know what? Let's nuke caves. I'm feeling a little bit
Yeah,
jolly
let's
today.
nuke caves.
I'm feeling jolly.
I'm gonna bring this.
Wait, you have both of my cameras.
I do. Wait, what?
Dude. Yeah.
Oh.
Camera, you're losing track of who to focus on. Okay?
Ugh.
Good camera. Good camera.
Yeah.
Back the fuck away. You stole it again! What? So the tracking sucks on these. Camera. Here, boy. Your camera.
I got this camera.
Hey, give me my camera back.
I'm over here, camera.
Shh. Bad camera.
I can hit it with my camera.
No, give me my camera.
Just
give me my camera. Here we go.
How do you?
You're being a bad camera, okay? You're being a really
I'm
bad
actually
camera.
gonna go grab my camera real quick.
Alright. So, Crystal, stay the fuck away from me. Oh my god, what is this?
Alright. I gotta find my camera. I can't find my camera. Alright, you okay? Yeah? Where are you? Alright. Well, let's go get like the materials. Where my camera? Gummies. Let's go get the materials. Where are we gonna get them?
Hey, back up. I don't want you to steal my camera again. No, actually stop. It's so annoying.
Alright. Okay, so. Let's go to the sewers.
Alright, yeah, you back the fuck up.
Don't steal
Back
my
up.
camera.
Back up. Okay. Stealing my camera.
Alright. Let's go to yeah, I got a pickaxe. Here you go.
Thank you for not stealing my camera. Alright. Let's go, bruchachos. Corny ass.
Alright, wait for me. Don't we need light? Don't we need light? Alright. Yeah. Camera, where are you? Why are you behind me?
We gotta go the other
Camera's
way.
behind me!
We gotta go to alright, it's fine.
Alright. We have to go to get some uranium.
Moonlight. Come on.
Done.
Yeah, I like you, chicken. That's a bad fucking chicken. Watch this.
Hold on.
Watch my ninja skills.
Ow! They're attacking me.
Fuck yeah.
Ah! Oh my gosh.
You okay there?
Yo, wait for me.
Alright.
Eesh.
So these cameras are pretty cool.
Oh. He exploded.
Oh shit.
Diamond, give me.
I had a seizure. He flashbanged
Oh
me.
Ow! Hey,
Hey, hey.
Ah!
That's enough. It's enough.
Hey, I won't.
Take a chill pill, brochacho.
You attacked
Where do we
me
go?
first. I'm left.
It's
I
not,
told you we need a light.
It's good.
Really?
We'll use this. Flashbang. That'll work.
That
Right?
did nothing. Oh. Like, right? And there's a red flash. Actually, that's a Coca-Cola can.
Okay. Oh, I found it.
Where's uranium? Go find the uranium.
Stupid bitch. Leave that route.
I'm dead! Zombies?
It was stuck in the floor. I'm coming back, but this time with a flashlight. I'm back at the area where I died. Got my pickaxe. But which tunnel do you go through? I forgot. The one on the very right? The one on the glowing, just glowing that's in on the right? Like all the way to the right, right? I have to go into this one, I guess. Wait, is this supposed to be a small tunnel? Yeah, I'm there, I'm there.
Chat, are we cooked?
Yo, Gummies! Come on.
Yeah. Alright, you have a flashlight?
Yeah.
Turn off your light! Turn off your light! Turn off your light!
Oh my god. Flashlight, I gotta go chase.
Oh shit, you almost killed us! Crystal, you almost killed us!
Yo, I'm trying. Go get the flashlight,
Alright.
please.
Where is it?
I don't think we need it.
Yes, we do! I couldn't see shite. Where
Do we
is
need
it?
the flashlight?
Dude, no, you took my camera again, you stupid fucknut.
Oh. Grab it.
Where's my camera? Which one's mine?
The one that's glowing. The one on the top. Yeah, that one's yours.
This one's mine. Hey, Pooks. Hell yeah.
I got the flashlight. I got the flashlight.
Alright, we gotta go here. Come on.
Alright.
Alright, woman. No kill. No kill, woman. I suggest you go first.
What?
You should go first.
Alright. Uranium. Come on. I'm in.
Go.
I'm scared.
Flashbang. Are you alive?
Nothing good.
Let's go. Come on, watch out. There's a mimic right behind you.
Behind you. I thought there was something. Come on, let's go.
Go.
Where should we
Wait, it's... I say if we both beat the shit out of the mimic, it'll go away.
Alright.
You gotta go first, because otherwise you're gonna steal my camera for the 5th time.
Ah! Done.
Beat it! Beat it!
Done.
Bad monkey! Bad bitch! What's
Play
that?
ping pong with it. Oh, it's dead. I think.
Nope, still there.
I think it fell in the void.
That works for me. Let's go.
Why don't you go first?
No, I'm not comfortable.
Me either. I only been here once.
You have been to sewers more than once. Oh, it's right here. Come this way.
The uranium.
It's fine. Keep moving, keep moving.
This one's big. Look at it. Yeah.
Go, 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 go. Go.
Down.
You have my camera! You have my fucking camera! Hey, wait, let me get my camera. Let me get my camera back. Get good camera.
Yo. I think we got enough uranium for one day.
No, we don't. Dude, this is barely at.
I'm heavy.
Yeah, I don't care. Throw them beans.
I'm just gonna collect, okay? I'm heavy as heck.
You stole my camera
Again?
again. Alright. New rule. You do your shit. I'll do my shit. Okay. We'll get full bags of uranium. End of story. I'm gonna get this
Alright.
big lump right here. I'm gonna get this big lump right here. Don't steal my camera.
Alright.
Oh, those are some big clumps.
I'm gonna go back to spawn.
No, you are not going back to spawn. Not yet.
Why?
No. I thought you stole my camera again. I would have proceeded to beat the shit out of you.
My pickaxe fell.
Fuck. Throw that beans.
I call that big chunk up there.
Come on, come on. Clip.
Oh,
Get that.
alright.
Let me get this. Let me get this vein right here.
I get it.
This is my camera. There, good, 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 good.
If I take it again,
Don't take my camera and I'll beat the shit out of you.
I might do on accident.
I will leak your address.
You don't know my address.
I'll find your father's name and I'll find your
I'm a-
address.
You don't know my father's name. You don't even know my name, I think.
Crystal. That's good
But
enough.
not my real name.
That's good enough.
Yeah, I guess.
Alright, watch out. Do not touch the little veiny thingies.
The little tentacles off of that ball.
Hey, I don't appreciate that.
Why?
No. I keep on getting abused.
I can't find it. Hold on.
I'm gonna go to a different vein.
Alright,
Launch.
I'm gonna follow you because I don't know where to go.
No, actually, there's nothing that can kill you in this area unless you're just stupid.
I almost touched the tentacles.
Hey, you get that one. I dropped my pickaxe.
Alright. I don't like using pickaxes here. Because they always have to like drop. You have to drop it and yeah.
Oh yeah.
What?
We're gonna be Sigma route.
Sigma route?
Sigma route. You ready? Sigma launch. Oh yeah. Sigma launch. Alright, let's get out of here.
Alright. We.
Check out that.
Where are you?
Sigma that
I can't
was.
see. Oop. Almost touched the tentacles. What? My camera touched the tentacles.
Alright, watch out. But you lose gravity here.
I know. I've been here before. Once.
Watch out, don't go
How
yet.
about let's go. Yeah, with someone. Okay. I'm gonna distract the angler.
No, don't. I mean, yeah,
Go.
toss your light, yeah.
I did. 3. 3.
Go. Go now. Over there. Why are you doing that?
Yo, Gumbus.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh yeah.
Gumbus, you like my new device I made? Like my new device? Gumbus, like my new spinning wheel thing? Here, Gumbus. Let me test it on you, please.
Okay, let's come on. I'll test it. Ready?
Alright.
Come on, wait.
Where's
my
my
fuck-
what?
where the
It's
fuck
on
am
your
I-
butt.
Dude, it's trying to
On
get
your
point
butt.
fives. It's trying to get weird point fives.
Are you ready?
There we go. My camera.
Oopsies. Yo. Can still
I don't
I'm gonna have
appreciate.
Gumbus's camera.
No, give me my camera.
I don't have it. I don't know where it went.
You killed it.
I don't know where it went. It went in the void. Never mind, it's in front of you. It's right here. Give me your camera.
You're not allowed to touch my camera.
Mm.
Camera. You love me, don't you? Camera. We love each other. You can't shoot me! I don't wanna die! I don't wanna die! No! Alright. Edit. Edit me, guys. Come on.
I have an idea.
Aura. W Sigma Aura. Come on,
Hey,
look
you
at my
want
W
some-
Sigma.
you want the flip side?
that. I don't want my toys. I don't want what's on. Oh, actually, I was doing that. Where's my camera?
I don't know.
Oh, there you are, camera. Spicy.
Let's play
Alright, come on, guys.
Attack on Titan Simulator.
So we gotta go back and fill up the machine.
I want to buy stuff. Hold on. Wait, no.
Don't worry about it.
Alright, let's go back and get more. Actually, I'm done with this. Hey, give me my camera back. Give me my camera back first.
Oh, grab your camera. I'm gonna put a balloon on it.
No, you don't
Let me put a balloon on it.
On my camera. And that's my camera. It's my camera.
No, my balloon's flying. Hold on.
Give me my camera. Can I actually get my camera back?
Can I put this balloon on you?
No, you can't.
It's on your butt.
Don't appreciate.
It's not there.
This guy put a camera on my butt. Oh, I stole your camera. Look at that.
Hey!
Well, thank you for watching, guys. We'll try to do more videos, and we'll figure out what the helmet looks like when we fill up the machine, and we'll show you what you get from that. You know what, give me my camera. All right.